Hey, what's up? We will do really cool stuff. I wouldn't say it's healthy. We will make cheese, homemade cheese. So basically it's really cottage cheese. What tastes just amazing. Here about a couple of kilo. So basically we need just butter, salt and baking soda. That's it. So we will cook it and became to the normal cheese, the classic one. So put everything up here. And we need the butter. So basically it depends what kind of cheese you wanna make. It's amount of butter you need. So some cheese for make more soft and creamy you need 50% of the butter. But in some cases you can put 20 or 30%. So let's say on 1 kilo you can add like 200 grams and so on. Additionally you can add some olive oil or sunflower oil or maybe coconut oil, whatever. And depend what cheese you want to make. You can add some greens, it can be real one, but in that case you cannot store it for a long time. You can make, you put some dried greens, depend what you like, dill, basil, whatever. We can add some pepper and of course salt. How much salt? Let's say here it's 2 kilo. On 2 kilo we need about tablespoon, same, depend how salty you want to make it. So you can make experiment, make it just a little bit. In my case I'll make it really neutral. And baking soda for make some small holes and sparkles. So it's about tablespoon of baking soda as well. So basically we can make a cheese not salty. You can add some chili if you want, whatever. And as you see we can cook and now it's get a little bit more sticky, I would say. I make cottage cheese like really dry. So basically everything take, I don't know, really quick. All of the preparation will take 15 minutes. You need to cook like a few minutes, literally. And you need to mix it up all the time, so it will become all solid same mess. And after that, we need to put it in certain form and put it in the fridge and get it cold. That's it. So well, I not suggest you to use any plastic, but all of the metal one is not available right now. So, just for the demonstration, we will use the plastic. So you just put it here, put it in the fridge, and froze it. If you add some greens, you can make it a little bit more green, or you can add some sweet pepper or chili, make it like more red or whatever. So basically your cheese might looks really different. And as I said, it's not the healthiest food, but if you're really skinny and you need to gain weight, so probably some recipes for gain weight might be useful for you, same like cheese. I eat and recommend eat more cottage cheese. It's a great source of protein, really easy to digest. But you cannot store so long time like hard cheese, so you can store it for months. You can put it in the wax and put it in the basement. So for quite a while. Alright, so now we need to wait until it cooled down. So basically it's everything go a bit lower. And then we'll put it in our form and put it in the fridge. In this case we can have a really cool cheesy sauce. So even if it's not the most healthy food possible, at least it was no any chemicals, no preservatives. You can store it for a really long time, so basically it quite a lot of benefits. And yeah, if you want to gain weight and taste something really delicious, and believe me, it tastes really good. So when you try to make some, let's say, condensed milk or mayonnaise or cheese at home, it tastes way better than you can buy somewhere in the supermarket. So I'll cut some onion or garlic up here. We'll add some greens and pepper, and we will have amazing cheesy sauce with our popcorn. So a little bit, actually it's a mixed greens, it's about 5 different greens here. It will make smell even better. Pepper, like put it everywhere. Chili, make it a little bit spicy. So, but usually it's some sweet pepper, so with sweet pepper it will be more beautiful and not that spicy. Alright. We have our cheesy sauce for now. Okay, we still need to wait until it get cooled down. So, depend what cheese you will get. It always depends from quality of milk. So if milk is good, you will have a really good cottage cheese, and if you have a really good cottage cheese, for sure you will have a good cheese from it. So when you start to boil it, cottage cheese was melted up, small pieces, and became to one equal mass. Okay. Need make a degustation, maybe it tastes terrible, who knows. It's really good. But unfortunately with my way everything is good, so I can't eat that much of that food. Okay. Brilliant. Alright, give you for my mates for the degustation. Oh my god, so good. So, whatever. I think it get a bit cold, so this one will go to the fridge and I'll leave it for overnight and it will be ready. So basically you can put in any form, better if you will use some metal or glass. I think metal is the best.